Hi, this is Rich with the Dr. Vax channel. In this very short video, we're going to show you the 3 simple steps to master 3D printing. If you know how to use an inkjet printer, if you can use PowerPoint or Google Slides or one of those types of programs, if you know how to install software on your computer, that's the hardest part, but it's not very hard, then you can master 3D printing, and you can do it inexpensively. I'm going to demonstrate it today on a monoprice Select Mini printer, which is a $180 printer. There are a range of printers for under $300 for less than the price of a Mixmaster that you can use to get started with 3D printing. Okay, stay tuned and watch to the very end, and we'll show you how easy it is to bring a 3D printer into your home and begin making things with your kids, your grandchildren, for your family. Here we go. The first thing we need is a model. Could be a model of a toy for the kids, could be a model of cookie cutters, it could be a model of a eyeglass holder, something functional we want to print, something for the kitchen, for the shop, for a repair. And to find a model, we're going to go online. So let's take a look at finding a model together. Thingiverse is one of a number of websites that have free or mostly free models online. In the case of Thingiverse, there are literally thousands of models. So let's look for cookie cutters. And we'll search for it. The Thingiverse site is not fast, but it is very, very easy to use. Okay, we could scroll through and look at many, many different types of pre-made cookie cutters. But I think we'll start with the cookie cutters right on the top because they're easy to print. And we're going to select the jet airplane cookie cutter that I have right here. So we're going to click on Thing Files and select the F16 file, except we want the STL file. STL files are the files you print on a 3D printer. Other extensions are design files if you're going to want to modify the designs. So we'll take and print the F16. I'll click on it and it will download to my computer. Okay, we have a model. Now we need to print that model. Well, we're going to use a piece of completely free software called Matter Control. Matter Hackers is a company that sells 3D printers. We're not going to use one of the 3D printers they sell today because the very most entry-level printer that I like to recommend people is the monoprice Select Mini, which is a $180 printer. The printers at Matter Hackers start a bit more expensive, but it's another good place for you to find printers. We're going to download the version 2 Mac software. If you're on Windows, you would download the Windows software. Okay, now that the program is open, the first thing we're going to do is close this new design window because we're not going to start from scratch. Instead, we're going to start with an existing design. So I'm going to click on the name of my printer, click on Open, and that's going to configure this program to help support printing to the printer, slicing program. Slicing models. I'm going to open a file. This is in the download folder. I'm going to drag that onto the print area. And see the little red crop marks in the corner? Help you align it with a corner if you want to. I'm going to put it right in the middle. Then I'm going to click on the word that says slice. And that's going to convert it from a three-dimensional model into a model made up of layers. So if I take and scroll through here, we'll see how it's going to actually print this cookie cutter. So now I can click on Print, Start Print. It's going to heat up the print bed and then begin this print. On the right-hand side here, it's telling me that this model will cost about 11 cents to print. 11 cents of plastic. It will use 1.8 meters, 1,877 millimeters. It'll take about 37 minutes to print a cookie cutter. At the end, we will have a cookie cutter that looks like this. Okay, folks, the noise you hear in the background is the 3D printer printing the cookie cutter. In just a couple minutes, we're going to have a fantastic project to do with our kids or our grandchildren or the neighbor to bring to school. This is just an exciting thing. 3D printing allows you to produce three-dimensional objects. This is a stand as an example for glasses. I have grandchildren that I make toys for. I make nameplates and luggage tags, things for around the house. It's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful hobby, and it will really allow you to engage in making things with kids. Okay, if you want to learn more about all of this, head over to YouTube, type DRVAX, Dr. Vax, into the search bar, click on my picture, and subscribe to the channel. There's a whole range of completely free videos, more videos about using this printer. I'm going to be publishing videos about how to make these cookie cutters and other exciting things. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and let's continue to learn things together.